In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add stickers on Google Slides. If you've ever wanted to make a slide more fun, highlight a key point, or add a little personality to your presentation, stickers are a simple way to do it, and you don't need any extra apps. We'll use the built-in image search inside Google Slides so everything happens right in your browser. Start by opening your favorite web browser and searching for Google Slides. In the results, look for the official site that takes you to slidesgoogle.com. Avoid promotional links or unrelated pages, and once you're sure it's the right one, click through. If you aren't signed in yet, log in with your Google account to access your presentations. Keep your credentials private, and if you use two-step verification, complete that process as usual. After you're in, open the presentation you want to edit or create a new one and navigate to the specific slide where you want the sticker to appear. It helps to leave some empty space so you can place and size the sticker cleanly. At the top menu bar, click Insert. From there, hover over Image and choose Search the Web. A panel will open on the right with a search box and image results pulled from the web. In the search bar, type your keyword followed by the word sticker or transparent. For example, you might try coffee sticker if you're decorating a morning routine slide, or gold star transparent if you want a reward style badge. Adding the word transparent helps you find images with no white box around them, which makes them look like real stickers. As you browse, look for images that show a checkerboard background or note that they're PNGs, both signs the background is likely transparent. Always make sure you have the rights to use the image in your presentation. When you find one you like, drag and drop it directly from the right panel onto your slide. Give it a moment to load. Once it's on the canvas, you can click and drag the corners to resize, move it into place, and use the rotate handle if you want a playful angle. For a polished finish, try format options to add a subtle drop shadow or to adjust transparency so the sticker blends with your design. That's it. You searched for Google Slides, opened your presentation, and used Insert, Image, and Search the Web to bring in a transparent sticker. Save your changes and you're ready to present with style.